very good morning to all my students. In this video, we will discuss about the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act. As we all know that BNSS is replacing Code of Criminal Procedure by repealing 9 sections from CRPC and by making major changes in around 160 sections of it, and by also adding 9 new provisions to old CRPC. So now let's discuss what are these new changes that has been made to Code of Criminal Procedure. So in Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act, under section 176, it has been mentioned that offences which are punishable with 7 years of imprisonment or more now will be investigated by the experts which will be appointed on this behalf, and they will be responsible for collecting the relevant evidences, and the investigation will be known as the forensic investigation. Electronic mode is now permitted for all types of trials, inquiries and proceedings under section 173 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act. If an abscond person avoids trial by absconding, then the judgment can be pronounced even in their absence, and this is given under section 356 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act. So in earlier Code of Criminal Procedure, the medical examination including rape cases was conducted by the medical practitioner on the request of sub-inspector, but now under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act, the medical practitioner can examine on the request of any police officer irrespective of his or her rank. So now the concept of zero FIR is introduced under section 173 clause 1 of Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act. It as a mandate to all the police stations to register the FIR regardless of its jurisdiction. So earlier under Code of Criminal Procedure, the magistrate was authorized to order for signature specimen or for handwriting, but now under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act, voice sample and thumb impression can also be ordered by the magistrate even from the person who is not arrested. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act extends the power of attachment of property to immovable property as well. The BNSS Act removes the provision which allowed the cities having 1 million people to have a metropolitan magistrate. The BNSS Act allows the use of handcuff during the arrest limited to habitual offenders, rapists or escapees, or people who were held liable for the offences like economic offences, for rape offences, for acid attack and other organized crimes. So these were all the major changes that were introduced in Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. So this was all about Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita Act. I hope you liked the video. Kindly subscribe the channel for watching more such videos. Thank you.